Hummingbirds are known for their vibrant and iridescent plumage, which can range from brilliant greens and blues to fiery reds and purples. They are small birds, typically measuring around 3 to 5 inches, 7.5 to 13 centimeters, in length. Their wings are long and narrow, allowing them to hover in place and maneuver with incredible agility. Hummingbirds are famous for their unique flying abilities. They are the only birds that can fly in all directions, up, down, sideways, and even backward, thanks to their rapid wing movements. They can beat their wings around 50 to 80 times per second, creating the humming sound that gives them their name. Hummingbirds have a high metabolic rate and need to consume large amounts of food to sustain their energy levels. Their primary source of nutrition is nectar from flowers, which provides them with sugars for energy. To supplement their diet, they also consume insects and spiders for protein. Hummingbirds have specialized bills that are long and slender, allowing them to reach deep into flowers to extract nectar. Their tongues are even longer, and they can extend them into flower tubes to lick up nectar. This action, combined with their rapid wing movements, helps them stay suspended in front of flowers while feeding. Many hummingbird species are migratory, traveling long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. Some species migrate between North and South America, covering thousands of miles during their journeys. The ruby-throated hummingbird, for example, travels over 2,000 miles, 3,220 kilometers, from Central America to eastern North America for breeding. Hummingbirds are known for their elaborate courtship displays, which involve aerial acrobatics and displays of their vibrant plumage. Females are responsible for building nests and raising the young on their own. They lay tiny eggs, often no larger than a pea, and raise their chicks on a diet of regurgitated insects and nectar. Hummingbirds are found mainly in the Americas, from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego. They inhabit a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, gardens, and urban areas. They are particularly attracted to areas with abundant flowers and feeders. Some hummingbird species are facing threats due to habitat loss, climate change, and pesticides. Conservation efforts often focus on protecting their habitats and ensuring the availability of suitable food sources.